Don't get nervous.
Or I'm camera shy. I'm shy. I'm a shy gal. What can I say? Hey, lady.
Girl. Oh my. I do.
Yay.
All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like watching the puddles gather rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay awake. And it rips my life away, but it's a great escape. Great escape. And I don't understand why I sleep all day. And I start to complain when there's no rain. And all I can do is just pour some tea for two and speak my point of view, but it's not sane. It's not sane. I just want someone to say to me, oh, 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 I'll always be there when you wake, yeah. You know I need somewhere to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. And I don't understand why I sleep all day. And I start to complain when there's no rain. I don't remember the words now.
Come on.
Closed it.
Why did you do that?
Because I forgot.
I was like, aren't those them in front of you?
I thought they were too.
I was all of a sudden they were like,
No.